Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a super easy but delicious chocolate ricotta cheesecake. For this recipe, you're going to need 250 grams of ricotta, and it's best if you use it at room temperature. To it, I'm adding 75 grams of erythritol, but you can use any other sugar substitute you like. And immediately afterwards, a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. I'm gonna link to it in the description below. Mix these ingredients on low speed for about 2 minutes to start dissolving the erythritol, and then gradually add 4 eggs at room temperature. This way, you'll have a smooth and creamy homogeneous mixture. Continue mixing like this until you incorporate the last egg, then stop the mixer and set the bowl aside for now. In my bowl, I have 75 grams of semisweet chocolate at 60% and 50 grams of butter. I'm melting them in the microwave. Make sure the intervals are short so you don't burn the chocolate. Stir very well until you have a homogeneous ganache. When your ganache is shiny and smooth like this, you can add it to the egg and cheese mixture. Make sure you scrape the bowl so you don't waste anything, and then mix on low speed for about 2 minutes. With the mixer on low speed, gradually add 100 grams of all-purpose flour and a tiny pinch of salt. Adding the flour in several additions also ensures that you'll obtain a very smooth, lump-free batter. Continue mixing on low speed until you've incorporated all the flour, then turn off the mixer and take a silicone spatula. Scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl just to make sure that the batter is homogeneous. And now it's time to add 600 grams of redcurrants. Mine were frozen and I just thawed them, but if you have fresh, use them fresh. Gently fold in the redcurrants without breaking them. This is a 24 cm glass baking dish that I buttered and lined with erythritol. Pour this gorgeous chocolate batter right in, make sure you scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl so you don't waste anything, and then level the surface of the batter with your silicone spatula. Bake the chocolate ricotta cheesecake in a preheated oven without the fan at 160 Celsius for an hour. As it cools down to room temperature, it'll shrink, and that's to be expected. It's best if you serve this cheesecake at room temperature or slightly chilled. It's so velvety, creamy and rich, and the red currants go perfectly well with the semi-sweet chocolate. Enjoy it! And the best thing about this recipe is that it's so easy to make, and you can make it with any other fruit you like. For instance, raspberries. They go exceptionally well with dark chocolate. And if you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you. Until next time, dessert lovers.